Adi, the fourth month in the Tamil calendar, is the most auspicious month. It generally falls between mid July to mid August. The month of Adi marks the beginning of the festival season that extends up to December. The month of Adi is auspicious for many reasons. It marks the beginning of the night of Devas. It is the month when goddess Andal was born. But most importantly, it is the month where goddess Shakti is celebrated and her power is at its peak. It is believed that goddess Shakti is worshipped in different forms to get her blessings for wealth and happiness. ஆடி பிறப்பு, ஆடி வெள்ளி, ஆடி செவ்வாய், ஆடி அமாவாசை, ஆடி பூரம், ஆடி கார்த்திகை, and Varalakshmi Nombu are the festivals that happen through the month. But the most auspicious of them all is Adi Velli. What is most special about Adi Velli? The month of Adi has 5 Fridays. Every Friday celebrates one divine form of goddess Shakti. The first Friday is dedicated to goddess Varnambika, the goddess of wealth, a form of goddess Parvati. The second Friday is dedicated to goddess Angalamman, a form of goddess Kali. Praying to Angalamman grants you Siddhi, extraordinary intelligence in common parlance. The third Friday is dedicated to Kaligambal, another form of goddess Parvati, who bestows courage and health. The fourth Friday is for Kamakshi Amman, another form of goddess Shakti. Offering prayers to Kaligambal will remove obstacles and bestow one courage and good health. The last and the most important Friday is celebrated for goddess Varalakshmi. This is a special day for all women. Women fast all day on Varalakshmi Vratam and perform puja to invoke her blessings for her marriage life and family. Adi, when spiritually is at its peak and the power of women at its highest. Worshipping goddess this month is believed to bring good health, prosperity, courage, intelligence, and wealth. The third Adi Velli is supposed to be most auspicious as it mostly precedes Varalakshmi Nombu. Uruli filled with water, covered by flowers facing the main door, is regarded auspicious. Tamil Nadu always celebrates the month Adi in a very special manner. The Tamil month of Adi falls during the second half of the year known as Dakshinayanam, when the sun transits from the northern hemisphere to the southern hemisphere during July. The transition from the southern to the northern hemisphere in the month of January is known as Uttarayanam. From times immemorial, both these periods have been considered as auspicious for the worship of the goddess Mariamman. Mari or Mariamman, which means rain in Tamil. Goddess Mariamman is worshipped for rain and fertility. The most important offerings are fruits, pongal, a mix of rice and jaggery, panagam, and turmeric water. Let's all pray to Goddess Mariamman to bless us with enough rain and fertility in this year. It was told that it is very auspicious to keep new saris and jewelries in Adivelli Pujai. Offering God and Goddess a food in the banana leaf is a beautiful tradition of Tamil Nadu and other South Indian states. Offering light to the deity to remove symbolic darkness of ignorance. Mango leaves are believed to be the most sacred. It is also believed that mango leaves in bunches absorbs the negative energy from entering our home.